আজকে আমরা শিখব হ্যাভ বিন দিয়ে বাক্য তৈরি করা। তার আগে প্রত্যেকবারের মতন বলবো, প্লিজ বলে বলে প্র্যাকটিস করুন। আর হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই প্রতিদিন 5টি করে সেন্টেন্স ব্যবহার করতে ভুলবেন না। I have been waiting for you. I have been waiting for you. আমি তোমার জন্য অপেক্ষা করছিলাম। They have been working all day. They have been working all day. তারা সারাদিন ধরে কাজ করছে। We have been traveling for a week. We have been traveling for a week. আমরা এক সপ্তাহ ধরে ভ্রমণ করছি। She has been feeling sick since morning. She has been feeling sick since morning. সে সকাল থেকে অসুস্থ বোধ করছে। The children have been playing outside. The children have been playing outside. শিশুরা বাইরে খেলছে। He has been studying hard. He has been studying hard. সে কঠোর পরিশ্রম করে পড়াশোনা করছে। It has been raining since yesterday. It has been raining since yesterday. গতকাল থেকে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে। They have been living in this house for 10 years. They have been living in this house for 10 years. তারা 10 বছর ধরে এই বাড়িতে বসবাস করছে। She has been learning English. She has been learning English. সে ইংরেজি শিখছে। My friends have been supporting me. My friends have been supporting me. আমার বন্ধুরা আমাকে সমর্থন করছে। We have been discussing this topic. We have been discussing this topic. আমরা এই বিষয়ে আলোচনা করছি। He has been looking for a new job. He has been looking for a new job. সে একটি নতুন চাকরি খুঁজছে। I have been reading this book. I have been reading this book. আমি এই বইটি পড়েছি। She has been practicing the piano. She has been practicing the piano. সে পিয়ানো বাজানো অনুশীলন করছে। The baby has been crying for an hour. The baby has been crying for an hour. শিশুটি 1 ঘন্টা ধরে কাঁদছে। The shop has been closed since morning. The shop has been closed since morning. সকাল থেকে দোকানটি বন্ধ আছে। He has been feeling sad. He has been feeling sad. সে দুঃখিত বোধ করছে। They have been searching for a solution. They have been searching for a solution. তারা একটি সমাধান খুঁজছে। She has been helping her parents. She has been helping her parents. সে তার বাবা মাকে সাহায্য করছে। The kids have been drawing picture. The kids have been drawing pictures. বাচ্চারা ছবি আঁকছে। You have been working hard. You have been working hard. তুমি কঠোর পরিশ্রম করে যাচ্ছ। I have been thinking about you. I have been thinking about you. আমি তোমার কথা ভাবছি। The guests have been arriving. The guests have been arriving. অতিথিরা আসছে। My father has been fixing the car. My father has been fixing the car. আমার বাবা গাড়ি ঠিক করছে। They have been fighting for their rights. They have been fighting for their rights. তারা তাদের অধিকারের জন্য লড়ছে। He has been talking to his friend. He has been talking to his friend. সে তার বন্ধুর সাথে কথা বলছে। We have been cleaning the house. We have been cleaning the house. আমরা বাড়িটি পরিষ্কার করছি। The train has been running late. The train has been running late. ট্রেনটি দেরি করে চলছে। I have been missing you. I have been missing you. আমি তোমাকে মিস করছি। The internet has been slow today. The internet has been slow today. আজকে ইন্টারনেট স্লো চলছে। They have been collecting donations. They have been collecting donations. তারা অনুদান সংগ্রহ করছে। I have been learning new skills. I have been learning new skills. আমি নতুন দক্ষতা শিখছি। The company has been growing rapidly. The company has been growing rapidly. কোম্পানিটি দ্রুত বাড়ছে। You have been improving a lot. You have been improving a lot. তুমি অনেক উন্নতি করছো। The festival has been celebrated every year. The festival has been celebrated every year. উৎসবটি প্রতি বছর উদযাপিত হচ্ছে। My mother has been cooking dinner. My mother has been cooking dinner. আমার মা রাতের খাবার রান্না করছে। The bus has been arriving late recently. The bus has been arriving late recently. সম্প্রতি বাসটি দেরিতে আসছে। The temperature has been rising. The temperature has been rising. তাপমাত্রা বাড়ছে। The soldier has been protecting the country. The soldiers has been protecting the country. সৈনিকরা দেশকে রক্ষা করছে। The old man has been telling stories. The old man has been telling stories. বৃদ্ধ লোকটি গল্প বলছে। They have been enjoying the party. They have been enjoying the party. তারা পার্টি উপভোগ করছে। The prices have been increasing rapidly. The prices have been increasing rapidly. দাম দ্রুত বৃদ্ধি পাচ্ছে। The wind has been blowing strongly. The wind has been blowing strongly. প্রবলভাবে বাতাস বইছে। The fire has been burning for hours. The fire has been burning for hours. আগুন কয়েক ঘন্টা ধরে জ্বলছে। My phone has been ringing continuously. My phone has been ringing continuously. আমার ফোন ক্রমাগত বেজেই চলেছে। She has been singing beautifully. She has been singing beautifully. সে সুন্দরভাবে গান গাইছে।